Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is the second video of Adobe Photoshop full tutorial, and this video includes about palette, color, swatches, style, history, adjustments, layers. So let's start this video with palettes. Below is the description of most commonly used palettes in Adobe Photoshop CS6. Palettes used for more advanced image editing will be covered in Adobe Photoshop CS6 Intermediate tutorial. So let's talk about color, swatches, style. The color palette displays the current foreground and background colors and RGB values for these colors. You can use the sliders to change the foreground and background colors to different color modes. You can also choose a color from the spectrum of colors displayed in the color ramp at the bottom of the palette. In the swatches palette, you can choose a foreground or background color and add a customized color to the library. The styles palette allows you to view, select and apply present layer styles. By default, a present style replaces the current layer style. You can use the styles in the palette or add your own using the Create New Style icon. History. The History palette stores and displays and each action performed, allowing you to jump to any recent stage of the image alteration. The alterations should be created during the current working session. After saving or closing the document, the History palette clears all the contents. Each time you apply a change to an image, the new state of that image is added to the palette. It is important to know that once you click on any of the previous stages, all the changes that are made after it will be lost. Adjustments. The Adjustment Layer palette gives you the ability to apply an effect to a group of layers in Photoshop, and then you can edit that effect later while preserving the original layers. Layers. Layers let you organize your work into distinct levels that can be edited and viewed as individual units. Every Photoshop CS6 document contains at least one layer. Creating multiple layers lets you easily control how your artwork is printed, displayed, and edited. You will use the Layers palette often while creating a document, so it's critical to understand what it does and how to use it. Layer visibility. The eye shows that the selected layer is visible. Click on or off to see or to hide a layer. Layer lock-in options. Click the checkered square icon to lock transparency. Click the brush icon to lock the image. Click the arrow icon to lock the position. And click the lock icon to lock all the options. Layer blend-in mode defines how the layer's pixels blend with underlying pixels in the image. By choosing a particular blend-in mode from the drop-down menu, you can create a variety of special effects. Fill. By typing in a value or dragging the slider, you can specify the transparency. Opacity. By typing in a value or dragging the slider, you can specify the transparency of the entire layer. Layer lock. The icon shows when the layer is locked and disappears when it is unlocked. Double-click the icon to unlock the layer. Layer Options menu. Click the black triangle to display the following options: New Layer, Duplicate Layer, Delete Layer, Layer Properties, etc. Some of the options are presented as icons at the bottom of the Layers palette. Link Layers. Can be used to link layers together. Layer Style. If a layer has a style, an F icon shows at the bottom of the Layers palette. Click the little black triangle to see Style option. Layer Mask allows you to hide certain part of the layer, which can be revealed by using the paintbrush and the white paint color to expose portions of the layer. Layer Set. This option helps to organize image with multiple layers. Click the icon to create a folder for several layers. Create new fill or adjustment layers. However, the same opacity and blend-in mode options as image layers then can be rearranged, deleted, hidden, and duplicated in the same manner as image layers. Click the icon and select an option to create a new file or adjustment layer. Create new layer. Click this icon to create a new layer. Delete layer. To delete a layer, select a layer in the Layers palette and drag it to the trash can icon or select a layer and click the icon. So this is the end of my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now, like and share. If you have a problem, please comment down below. Let's meet in the next video.